Hello guys, welcome to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is find the value of x. 5 to the power x into 5 to the power x into 5 to the power x whole divided by 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x equals to 5. So let's see. Let 5 to the power x equals to a. So the equation converted to a into a divided by a plus a plus a equals to 5. Now let's see. A will be a cube by a plus a 3a equals to 5. This a becomes cancel. So a square by 3 equals to 5. A square equals to 15. A equals to plus minus root over 15. So either a equals to minus root 15 or a equals to plus root 15. And we have let that a equals to 5 to the power x equals to minus root 15. As 5 is positive, so 5 to the power x will be also positive. But this is negative. So this solution is rejected. So here 5 to the power x equals to root 15. Taking log both sides, log 5 to the power x equals to log root 15. From the formula log a to the power b equals to b log a, it will be x log 5 equals to log root 15. So x will be equals to log root 15 by log 5. And we know one more formula, that log a by log b equals to log a base b. From this formula we can write that x equals to log root 15 base 5. So this is the answer guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.